Hello everyone, welcome to TNWS channel, and in this short video we are going to fix Play Store not working or any issue regarding Play Store in Samsung Galaxy A32, A52 or A72. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Play Store issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.